Find or read reviews that people are talking about. DANKARI Electric Spin Scrubber, upgrade cordless cleaning household supplies. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. An amazing cleaner supplies for you. Household cleaning is the first step in the pursuit of a high quality of life. DANKARI Electric Spin Scrubber specializes in deep cleaning of mold and dirt in shower and bathroom, especially for bathtubs, sinks, tiles, grout, as well as for floors, walls, kitchen, tires, wheels, glass and more. Keeping your home shiny and bright like a new home. A lifesaver for arm, back and knee pain. Only 900 grams lightweight, DANKARI Electric Cleaning Brush helps you get rid of laborious household cleaning. The updated adjustable extension pole makes it very easy to clean those hard-to-reach areas. All you need to do is to hold it with your hand and DANKARI Electric Spin Mop will do all the work for you. Making technology work for humanity. Save your times and money. DANKARI Electric Cleaner Scrubber is designed with 2 spin speeds to improve cleaning efficiency, which can help you save much time on heavy household cleaning. Meanwhile, DANKARI's cleaning brush makes it possible to save the money on hiring cleaners. DANKARI Shower Cleaner Scrubber is of great necessity for every family essentials. Type-C fast charging and digital screen panel. DANKARI Electric Shower Toilet Cleaner adopts the latest USB-C fast charging technology and LED battery level display function. Capacity of battery is 2000 mAh, which can work for up to 90 to 120 minutes and be fully charged about 2.5 hours. No need to worry about running out of power. 6 multifunctional brush heads. DANKARI Cordless Cleaning Supplies offers 6 versatile replaceable brush heads in order to make cleaning much easier and more comfortable. With this electric spin scrubber set, you don't need to spend more money on other hand cleaning tools. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.